23, 14, 13, 12.
Don't have a good day. Great day.
Don't be Tingo, Fire Base, and Hollywood, and underscore Hollywood. Nobody quit. Wow, nobody played. Everyone wants to play. Good. I do too.
We're alone.
Yeah.
Well, my streak then, I've had about 7 games in a row where like a land main building with 400 people die and then leave. I got a Gunfire Northwest. Is it like close, like here?
I don't know, I just saw it on the...
Oh, right there.
Oh, yeah.
They're running to the left. I don't really have distance guns anymore for them to catch up. They're out in the open though.
Yeah, they're up here.
Oh,
I think, I don't know.
They're there.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. You probably have an angle at the top of this hill. Yep, right in front of me. I feel like they're bots. They're just like
Yo,
running in
really?
a straight line.
Should we shoot at them?
They're bots.
Yeah. Like, who runs in a straight line without moving? These are simply bots.
Good shit. More gunfire east.
Yeah, I got a... Oh, you're shit.
I got a big pump.
That's alright. We're using each other. What direction did you say?
East was the gunfire. I'm not hearing it anymore. They could be at the train station.
Oh, right here, right in front of me.
Oh yeah. One's cracked. White. Purple's fighting.
Oh, what the...
They're bots. Good shit.
There's mostly gonna be bots at nighttime. 'Cause everybody's sleeping.
One more on me.
God damn.
I don't know, my past games I've had nothing but like level 400 people. It's ridiculous. So I must have had the
Doesn't
cutoff.
have a life.
Yeah. There must have been a cutoff on the time now we're getting bot by me.
If you guys need some shield, I got 4 big pots and 2 shellfish.
Oh, awesome. Definitely meant to do that one. My loot is horrible.
Mine too.
Man, I'm only over here having a Forcer AR and an epic hammer pump shotgun with shield.
I have a blue burst and a green auto. That's all I have. 2 guns.
Dang.
I'm pretty useless in this game without a sniper as well.
If you guys need my sniper bullets or SMG ammo or RPG, or I could give you some. Because I'm mostly not going to use them.
Let me know if you guys find any mobility, like grappling hook or whatever.
move in with yellow for our bathroom.
Oh, there's real niggas here. There's real niggas here.
All medallions are on the other side of this. Tommy.
Yep. We can third party.
Shots in South 172.
Pistol? Pistol, nigga?
They're in the gas station.
Bridge. 42.
One's pushing up to the left.
Good swinger.
That was me.
Oh, okay. This guy's one shot like not one side. I heard 120 though. Like 3 people. So much damage.
Oh my god. Yes, sir.
I mean, we could reboot him here. Or can you hop on
Yeah, we go here because we can get loot. We don't have vending machine and medkit or else, so it's fine. Good stuff.
Boy, you just stole my pump shot.
There it is. Alright, drop it. I'm down in here. Is there like an extra sniper? Oh, I got one over. Where'd you go?
Pistols. Bad nigga. Bad nigga.
I got southeast, south. It's like 180. 186. Along the storm.
I'm with you.
We're gonna have to. Let's just move in. Fuck it.
Yeah. Stop mythic is on my mark.
Mythic rubber brow, swords.
You guys shooting someone?
Oh. I just need mobility, man.
Yeah.
I know, everyone knows.
There's hella shield here. Is there another one somewhere? Fuck, it's in storm.
No.
Let's get that.
You saw someone?
Yeah. Niggas is
Oh, yeah. I see him.
players.
Yep, on the board.
They're gonna pull up on us. He's white.
I'm stuck crouching, bro. Like, what? Guy on the hoverboard literally did 1 star. So Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. One of 5 on the gun that was jumping around.
We got it. Well, no free, nigga. Good. Damn, what these bitch. Yeah, you're dead. Turtle nigga's dead.
OP ass fucking turds.
Oh shit.
Oh.
Stop lagging.
Oh man, I need to put a suppressor on this fucker.
He has 1 kill.
Do you want a suppressor on what?
I had to put a suppressor on an anonymous AR. I love my suppressors.
Right here. Back of the roof. Stand out in the open. They're not paying attention. That's the medallion. There's just one on the other side of this roof. This drops behind me. Oh.
Yeah.
That's the engine.
Well, we're gonna get
bombs.
some. Yeah. Let's just go fight some.
You're by yourself right now. I'm a couple seconds out. Alright, I'm here.
They're all in here.
Cracked.
Got him. Good shit.
Who left?
One more's in here. Nope, I was wrong. 2 more actually.
I think if we... Behind the truck. 105. Oh, nasty. 105 again, bro.
We should go in.
Yeah,
Don't
the Christmas one, whatever, the skeleton one. Can't remember his name. He's like 1 bullet. He's probably gonna die of storm.
Yeah.
To my left. I'm gonna kill him right here. How is this guy living right now? In a car.
4v1?
Yeah, it's this guy right here. I just fucking... I sniped him twice. And he was in the store. I don't know how this guy's alive.
Right foot creep, walking with that evil. Look around, stay low, make so loud.
I have no idea what he's
Oh, he went over here.
Oh! almost hit him through the window.
Let's go!
Wait, was he in Storm?
I think so.
I didn't know if he got the grapple bug or something. GG's.
Oh, yeah. My god, this person had 13 kills? Okay, babe.
I had 3 kills with 3,000 damage.
Goodbye, Cyrus. GG's. Nigga, yes.
Alright, one guy left us.
Hollywood, I want to go a new kid, same team, but this
Don't have a good day. Have a great day.
same team, same team. Real niggas, real niggas.
Luke, I'm not gonna lie, that's kind of a sus about the egg. But I'm with it.
Yeah. Like, usually when there's a medallion up, it's this one, because nobody wants to go here. I can honestly say I think I've landed here, like, 3 times. Max.
Yeah, I honestly don't think I've ever landed here.
I really always land, like, here, right next to fencing.
Yeah.
Just for, like...
I usually do reckless.
Yeah. I need a sniper. So, like, that one's almost
Holy
here.
fuck.
It's gonna be a sniper.
We're gonna have a person land with us out here. Never mind, he's glitching out. Maybe.
Yeah, they went out. There's probably bots anyway. Hope they landed over there soon. Finally. I don't know where the boss is.
The boss.
I think I found him. Or he found me.
Ooh, nigga.
Yeah, they definitely land here all the time. They knew where the vault was. I don't even know where the vault is.
Oh, we got company maybe? No.
Oh my god, no sniper.
I don't land here all the time, probably. So, yeah. Wait, what the?
Yeah, I don't want that.
Fuck, I forgot how to get down there.
Yeah, I'm gonna come get you. I'd never know how to get down here, man. I'll max go with you.
Here, because we're safe.
Oh, there's gunfire.
So our bounty and then the
Oh, yeah. I see him. Right here.
bounty's boss.
Boss nigga.
But the bounty in this foot.
What the
I'll just hit me.
Thank you, brother. I'm not gonna lie, guys. I'm kind of poor on AR ammo.
I don't know how they are. You know all mine. Oh, they just dropped a bunch of yeah, I think you're
Hell yeah. Medallion team up here?
Yep, be very careful.
Yeah. I'm gonna go ask him for a sniper and mythic.
Alright.
I'll let you know what they say.
They're definitely just chilling in the vault right now.
Yeah, probably.
My shotgun is at there.
You see
Oh,
what
yeah.
I'm saying?
He sees him. I shot him for 39. I'm gonna go stand low.
Go for it.
No way I just took fall damage, man. I got no mobility, so it's gonna do man or something. No way, bro. This fucking game is. Oh, fuck. Oh, one just charged.
Right? Go get still alive.
Who thought first were a good idea?
Oh, I had to reload? So annoying.
Is he upstairs or?
Yeah. I hit him a couple times, but he's still blue.
No way, I just found a sniper. Come on.
Here.
Please run.
Oh, he's still shooting.
Are they good? You got him?
Shoot at the
Oh, they're still here? Oh, I'm just gonna reboot. Is that them, or do they have is there another
I
medallion?
think that's a new team.
Okay.
Should be. Or actually, no, the guy only dropped, so it could just be a solo.
I just didn't know if they got him afterwards. Oh, right there. Just saw someone. Oh, yeah, car.
way. Again. Let's go, niggas. Let's go, niggas.
They just threw a big pot.
He's white.
Good shit. Then?
Right foot creep on walling with
Dang. I really need a med kit.
Oh, shit. Okay, I thought I picked it up actually. Alright. We're chilling.
Kinda lost all that AR ammo you gave me, but it's okay. I should have enough.
67.
Here.
I have an AR, so.
Nobody's got the house, man.
I'm kind of split right now. I got 30 seconds. Kicking in.
Please, 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 please. Gotta go over here, my car first. First and
Mad people were fighting over here.
yes.
You said they were?
Yeah, there's a bunch of like loot on the ground.
I need you. Heal me. Give me love. Give me love.
I'm gonna launch to like ruin.
Oh, I got gunfire west. Like 292, 300. It's down here.
Look, this is like typical bot spot, so.
Yeah. I'm gonna roll up on it.
Actually, they're all like down.
Oh, and
This
what's up
way
to me?
as well. Oh, I think this guy's real actually. He is
He's a
real.
bar.
This guy's real on me.
Alright.
Oh, I hit him 140 white. Knocked him. Get out of here, buddy.
Get this out. Let's get this
Alright, I'm
out.
gonna go to finish and then.
You
This
see
guy's
people?
team is coming. Yeah, this is your team on me.
Oh, yeah, see.
Hey, delivery. I'm coming.
Wait, you?
Oh, car right there.
Yup. I need to go med up.
Oh shit. I'm dead. I just looked over at the all. Alright, I'm healing that. seconds, I'm ready.
Get up here, get up here. Come on, come on.
Fucking hell. John Wick is like...
I don't know how that's not fucking done.
Bitch.
Oh, he's gonna come down the stairs. John Wick is weak.
Kill John Wick, I killed him, don't worry. Shit.
Alright, I'm gonna go get you. Fuck it. Fucking mobility to me.
Just run.
Where you at? There's a... No, they're rebooting. They're gonna reboot over here. If they're moving over here, they're gonna show that reboot.
Yep.
If you're going to reboot, I'd probably go over to the fencing place.
Bitch. Yeah, pussy. Yeah, you're running. Get the fuck out the bush, bitch ass nigga. Yeah. What's the break? There's a sniper over there. These are... You need a rip.
Okay, this guy's pushing you, but actually no, he's running away. He's scoped over and then he's running away. There's the pink flamingo that they're shooting at right now.
Flamingo where?
Right there.
Alright, they took the rip.
Yeah, I just need to go get this loot.
Make it. Yes. Wait, where's the fucking flamingo?
I honestly need to go get my loot. You guys good? You got them all, I guess?
I'm not sitting here, so...
What was that? I have no idea what that noise was, but something just like... Oh, someone threw a bunker. Who's trolling me over here?
Oh, there's a Ninja Turtle thing over here.
Ninja Turtle thing.
I'm chilling on my loot now.
Come on.
I think I took yours, didn't I?
What?
Didn't I take yours?
Yeah, but I got one off the first guy, so...
Oh, that's cool. Purple, you're alone.
Oh, it's just bots up here.
Those are all bots.
You have sniper ammo?
Yeah, here. Do you need any other kind of
Yeah. Oh, I'm actually getting shot by real people now.
God damn.
Oh, right here.
I can't hit my shit. He is just out there. This nigga is eating a fucking flop. Oh my god. So we better win this. Yes. Oh my god.
Went that way. On top of the tree?
On top of the tree, yeah. Let's go.
Close.
Yes, we're better win.
Only 2 more people?
Guess
You got
that
riders
little
too.
bitch just died.
Reloading.
Yeah, I'm fine.
Bitch, you're dead. GG's.
49.
GG's. New game for you.
He's
New game
crying.
for you, nigga. Yeah. Now you're dead. Oh, you're dead, bitch.
Let's go.
Cooking, honestly.
Yo, back to back?
What do we have?
Look around, stay low, make sure they don't see you.
We're 23.
Walk down, face them with the heat. The devil under your feature on your straight foot creep, walking with that heat.
I know.
Look around, stay low, make sure they don't see you.
Some of the easiest problems I've had all
Walk
day.
down, face them with the heat. The devil under your feature on your way to see him. Straight foot creep, walking with that heat. Look around, stay low, make sure they don't see you. Catch them bad, walk down, face them with that heat. The devil under your feature on your way to see him. Straight foot creep, walking with that heat. Look around, stay low, make sure they don't see you. Catch them bad, walk down, face them with that heat. The devil under your feature on your way to see him.
Fly across the country, I finished the show and I hop in it. I got me a milli, I did it legitly. I'm still with the shit, I'm hot. Fly across the country, I finished the show.